voice is of an actor. I don't know what movie he's from, but it's very familiar. I can see this one here. They definitely tried to camouflage it. And this one. Oh my god, he's gonna kill me. He's got like white hair. Shit. FaZe Clan is here. I was about to ask platform, but it's clearly PC because it's snowing. Really? Yeah, it's on PC, but I'm using a PS4 controller. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Oh, calm down, Grandpa. Holy shit. Oh, that crit. Okay, I'm gonna have to quickly heal. I want your weapon. Oh no. Where'd he go? Oh man. Oh, there he is. Wow. Are you on PC as well, Supernath? Oh, get turned into ash. Holy crap. Okay. The only snow is one in the DLC. Wait, the only snow is in one of the DLCs? I don't know how I got it. I think I got it snowing through the mod. Not sure. Is there any more mines in here? Because it's pretty much made me use up all my... Oh shit. I can't see him. Sorry, I was talking to my friend. That's all good, man. You don't have to apologize for that.
Dearest America, this is your president.
It's like made everything super bright.
Let's chat, shall we? We live in an age of poverty, greed,
Cherry bomb.
violence, destruction. Indeed, the very seat of the federal government, Washington, D.C., has been reduced to what is now known as the Capital Wasteland.
Anchorage DLC? I have no idea.
Wasteland. How did it come to this, America? How did your leaders allow the most
ammo.
powerful nation on Earth to die? The answer is really quite simple. Incompetence. Incompetence at the highest echelons of power.
Ammo.
We put our trust
Wow, that's a lot of
our
ammo
faith
there actually.
in half-wits. Our intrepid leaders had everything they wanted. Power, wealth, prestige. And it made them lazy, America. Oh, yes, and laziness breeds stupidity.
Damn.
Rest assured, I will not make the mistakes of my predecessors. When John Henry Eden builds a country, he builds it to last. The American way. Don't you, my
Yeah,
darling
who's
America,
this voice actor for this president guy? I swear I've seen him in movies before and he's got white hair.
terrible uncertainty? Of course you do. As President of the United States, you have my solemn
Damn.
that I will
Yeah, my
never
legs all
rest,
messed up.
never rest until we have what we deserve. A place to truly call home. And now, dearest America, we must say farewell. For there is much work to be done.
Oh, there's another one.
Enclave
Okay.
never rests. Never. Till we meet again, this is John Henry Eden signing off.
So it gives you XP as well when you disarm them. That's pretty cool. Oh, there's the playground. Wow. Oh man. Malcolm McDowell. Richard Nixon. How's it going, Zed Hook? Welcome. Hope you're having a good day. Blanco mac and cheese. started an evil run last time. First time I'm evil in a Bethesda game. Nice. Thinking if I was gonna go evil, but I don't really know the name enough. Wait, where's stats? Status. Okay. Damn, I just pretty much. Oh shit. Wait, let's save it. No, I keep pressing circle to crouch. Right. Quite close. Gotta be really quick picking these up. Awesome. Now I'm getting the hang of it. Kappa. Empty. Oh, there's another one right here. Wow, they're everywhere. Wow, even right there in front of me. Okay, all good. So far. Locked. Use the key. Ah, evil game is the easiest since you don't have to worry about your karma. I'm not 100% sure what karma does, but I'm sure I'll pick it up as I go along. Okay. Wow. Shot its head off. Laser gun. It's pretty.
Hello again, America. This is John Henry Eden, your president. There are some things we should talk about, if that's all right. I've been thinking quite a bit lately about something we can... Something that
Yeah,
is
there goes the head again.
unquestionably-
I don't know why, but when I go into this
I am
bats,
referring, of course,
sounds like there's
to our
gas
great
leaking from
national
somewhere.
pastime,
Weird.
baseball. Or so it had been. That's right, America. Before we were devastated by atomic war, each state
Wait,
had
I'm gonna
its
equip
own
my
professional baseball.
sword,
Imagine
weapon,
perfect cloudless day. The sun is
sword.
warm, welcoming, and on the horizon they appear.
Just to kill
like
these things
knights
with it.
of yore, armed with bats of ash and hickory. Their name, the Capitol Congress.
So I don't waste ammo.
To make you, dear America, revel in the joys of sport and sunshine.
Will you loot it?
Only for an afternoon. Now, ask yourself this. What if the Capitol Congressmen could live again? What if they could compete with baseball teams from Pennsylvania or Maryland? Put your faith in John Henry Eden, great America, and baseball will live again.
Ah, then another barbarian.
Recreation,
Oh wait, pretty
healthy
cool.
competition, all will
Baseball.
live again. This country will live again. And
Piss
now,
shit out of them.
dearest America, we must say
I like cutting them up.
for there is much work.
Oh, what? That was still alive, really?
Never rests. Never. Till next time, this is President Eden signing off.
Of course its leg's crippled. I'm cutting it up with a... Oh. Awesome. Sexy sleepwear. No. Is that your exotic sword from Destiny? Maybe. Never know. Never know. Okay. Definitely taking all that food. Wear it or no balls. Sexy, Wastelander, or Riot. Yeah, probably not. Does sound very appealing, but I like defense more, considering it's on very hard.
And now, one of my inspirational quotes from the mouth of your president, John Henry Eden, straight to your heart. Happiness lies in the joy of achievement and the thrill of creative effort. I'm President John Henry Eden, and you're listening to Enclave.
Wait, I can pretty much leave now, can't I? No, it's
this
telling me I can't.
unreasonable world. Hello again.
How's it going,
America the
Robert?
Magnificent.
Thank you for the cookies.
This is President Eden, and I was hoping we could talk.
Leather belt.
When I was a child, growing up in rural Kentucky,
Hope you're having a good day,
I had
Robert.
the best friend a boy could hope for. My dear old dog, Honey.
Free war book?
The adventures we had. From Knott Creek to Hagenville we roamed, carefree and courageous, irresponsible, and completely inseparable. It was, for a little boy, the perfect existence. So, let me ask you, America, how many of your children can say the same? How many of this nation's youth
Let's take all
are
that yummy
truly
food.
happy, truly carefree? Well, we both know
Is your
the answer,
game
don't
modded?
we?
Uh,
None.
it's kind of
America's children live in a
modded.
terrifying,
Not much at all.
meaningless
I've got like
existence.
5 mods on it.
There is no hope.
Like 5 or 7 mods. It's gold?
That changes
I don't know what
right
you mean.
here,
Take the free war
right
book.
now.
Okay.
From this moment onward, the children of this great nation are its highest priority.
Gold. Okay.
The Enclave will restore every American school, reinstate every youth program, and offer counseling
I have
and
the
financial
FOSE,
assistance to any
kind of why I'm
family
in Windows
need.
mode.
We will match up
But,
the
apart
destitute
from that-
orphan children
Oh, they
of the
died
capital wasteland
spooning.
with qualified, eligible adults. We will rebuild the American family as it was meant to be. Values of our past
Wait, no, the
shall
lights.
be the foundation
Thank you.
of our future. Reflect upon all I have said, my America. Reflect and wait. For
They're worth
soon,
like...
this great
Yeah, it is
nation
modded.
will be
Just a little bit.
reborn, and the
Oh, a
Enclave
save.
will be its salvation. Till we meet again, this is John Henry Eden signing off.
Oh, that was easy. Bottle caps. Laser pistol, pre-war money. Okay, so they're worth like 100 cats, but later on. Okay. That's good to know. Okay, can I leave this area? No. Really? Travel to the playground in the mine. Ah, okay, now I can leave it. That makes sense. Alright, let's fast travel. Wait. World map. There we go. Now let's go back and talk to Moira. Robert Allen, thank you very much for the follow.
And now, one of my inspirational
I appreciate it. Welcome to the Pain Train. Sempi, what's the viewer's choice, game or difficult? It's the game. But every game I play it on the most hardest difficulty without permadeath. Put it that way. Unless it's like Diablo or something. You know, and I was trying to go for the you know, where you do that game style or whatever it's called, where you can die, and if you die your character becomes a normal one. Kind of permadeath in a